So mistakenly we got into the wrong rail track. Just see the view from here. And on the right there is the temple. This a very good morning internet. It is around 6:40 in the morning and today we are going for a short road trip near Kolkata. It is around 250 kilometers from Newtown, so I am running quite late. I have to pick 4 of my friends from different locations and then head towards the mini hill near Kolkata, that is at Gorpanch Court. We are going to the Panchkot Power and we'll be exploring the Gorpanch Court near about areas. So let's see how well we can explore. I am running very late. I'll log in properly later on after picking up my friends. So welcome back to the channel everyone. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video for whatsoever reason, please do give the video a like. So stay tuned and enjoy the beautiful monsoon road trip to Gorpanch Court.
रास्तों से मेरी गहरी यारी हो गई, जो फर्ज से भरा था बस्ता वो भी खाली हो गया। बुरा है जमाना, तू चल टकर न कर अगर मगर कैसा है।
Now all 5 are in the car. We are running around 40 minutes late. So for me only we are late and I will introduce everyone while we stop at Shaktigarh. So non-stop we will head to Shaktigarh, then after that non-stop to Gorpanch Court. So we'll be meeting you soon and till then enjoy the scenic road trip till Shaktigarh. This is our first toll for today, Kankuni Toll Plaza.
पैरों को बांधे बेड़िया।
So mistakenly we got into the wrong rail track. We in Google Maps headed to us a rail track, so we are going with the train only. So we are going to the from to the Cord line to Delhi. So we are following this train now. So now let's say bye bye to the train, Indian Railways. Thank you for saving our fuel. Now let's burn our fuel.
जी उठे हर घड़ी हर पहर सफर कैसा है ये सफर।
So currently we are few kilometers before Shaktigarh and the roads are comparatively empty. More trucks are running compared to private vehicles. But so far we are all enjoying the drive, isn't it? কেমন লাগছে ভাই? Today Chirojit was on time. Last time he was super late, but today everyone was on time. Second toll on our way. This is the Palsit toll, and after this the next toll will be on Durgapur, and after that I don't think so there will be any toll. It's around 8:52. Just 10 minutes we have reached at Shaktigarh. They are having their breakfast. I am not having any breakfast because in heavy stomach I cannot drive properly. So that's why I won't be having any breakfast. On the way I will have some snacks. We have snacks in our car from Monjiris. Last time we bought sandwiches and cakes. So we will have that on the way only. They are having their breakfast. And I don't prefer stopping at Shaktigarh. Other, it's necessary if you are hungry, then only stop. Otherwise, it's a waste of time. So since they are hungry, they have not eaten. They have left from their home early morning. That's why they are having their breakfast. So it is around 3 hours from here to Gorpanch Court. Sorry for the background noise. I am vlogging by the highway. That's why the shore is too much, the noise is too much. So now let them have their breakfast, and then I will continue. More 3 hours. We will reach nearly around 12 o'clock. Let's see if the roads are empty. I will get to drive fast, but that is not preferable. So so far, hope you are enjoying the video, and please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel. We have left from Shaktigarh now and hope we will reach there by 12 if we don't take any stop in between the road now. It is super hot today outside. We are expecting some rain so that we can experience some greenery over there at our destination. But let's see, hope we can find some greenery over there because where the district where we are going is the hottest district in West Bengal at Purulia. So let's see, fingers crossed. Hope the weather gets well till we reach there.
किसने बनाया दस्तूर ऐसा जीना सिखाया
Just crossed Panagarh. We are taking the highway from here, so we are not. This because you saw the highway. It's quite smooth and well developed highway. Third toll on our way. This is just before Durgapur, and after Asansol we have to take a left turn towards Gorpanchkot. So the ride is going quite smooth, and the Google Maps estimated time have reduced to 15 minutes, but we will utilize that 15 minutes by taking some pictures on the way. Just stopped on the way, just more 1 hour drive left from here, and just stopped for a bio break over here. We'll take some photos over here, then leave. And it is so hot, no signs of rain, just a little bit of white clouds. I don't think it will rain today. So we'll take some photos here and make some reels. Do follow me on Instagram to check them out. And after that we will leave.
तू है सही या मैं हूँ सही किस पे ये इल्जाम है आँखें मेरी
After crossing Asansol city, we have taken the left turn, which heads towards Purulia, and this boy was scared because a cow was coming in front. Now we'll be heading towards Purulia because Gorpanchkot is in Purulia district only, as per Google. And here the nature is quite green, but it would have been much better if it would have rained.
जिसने हंसाया जिसने रुलाया जीना सिखाया मजबूर जैसा
Finally, we got to witness a hill from here, and everyone got excited. So we had planned to go to Duas today only. We should have reached there, but due to strict lockdown restriction, we cancelled the plan. So decided to come to the Sasta Pahad only. But hopefully this won't disappoint us. Would be quite exciting to do some trekking over there if the weather permits, not the weather permits. So there is the hill over there. You saw a glimpse of the hill, and once we get closer we will also get to see properly like us. So the roads over here are passing through small towns, that's why the roads are quite congested, and the condition of the roads is quite bad since it's monsoon time. And monsoon time the roads are quite bad. The construction of the roads are not being done in monsoon, so that's why that is the main issue of reducing the average kilometer. In highway we maintain a quite good speed average, but here you can see the congestion. Now let's head towards the hills, and we will also get to see the beautiful Gorpanchkot in West Bengal. stop by this view, take some wonderful pictures over here. And last time when we came, we didn't stop over here, just directly went there. So here the greenery is quite too much greenery in this season, and all around lush green fields, the mountains, the hills is also covered with green plants, greenery, but it is quite fogged up over there. That's why it's not visible clearly. So once we get closer to the hill, it will be visible. But see how beautiful the hill is.
सफर कैसा है ये सफर, मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर, सफर कैसा है ये सफर.
We have taken a right turn from here, and here we are headed towards the temple, the old ruined temple.
रास्तों से मेरी गहरी यारी हो गई, जो फर्ज से भरा था बस्ता वो भी खाली.
There is the hill in front.
कैसा है ये सफर, मंजिलों.
These are local villagers' home, small hut types, and the roads are quite narrow towards the temple road.
कैसा है ये सफर, मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर, सफर.
Just stopped in the middle of the road. It is quite a steep slope over here, and just kept the car over there. We are so much positive to click pictures. We have not reached the destination here, and clicking so much pictures, I have a doubt whether we would able to reach our real destination today. Just see the view from here, and on the right there is the temple. These are the ruined temples, and there is this temple which is not ruined. And just check out the view from here, so magnificent.
तू उड़ रही पतंग है, बना है तू ढाने का सब आसमान है.
So reached at this spot, my second time over here. There is the hill behind. These are the old ruined temples, and there is an intact temple over there. I think this has been built lately for the tourist attraction, and we are now deciding whether to trek to that hill, because there is a mandir, Shiv Mandir over there at the top. So let's see what everybody decides, and then we will take a call whether to trek, or there is some place near called Baronti near to this, and we may go there also. So after deciding, I will let you know. Till then, you enjoy the cinematic view of this place.
गुजर ऐसी राह से गुजर.
We have taken the call to do a trek. As per the local, he is guiding us to the trek. There is a small waterfall over there, and there is a mandir, so we will visit there. Let's see. It's around 500 meters trek, and we have to return by 2, because while returning, or else it will be quite late to reach at home. So now let's go and enjoy the trek with us.
सफर कैसा है ये सफर.
Now we are slightly ascending to the hills, and luckily there is trees over here which are covering us from the sun.